Hi, I'm Narendra Kumar. I have 12 years of experience in IT industry, and for the last 8 years I have been working in data engineering field. I have completed these Databricks related certifications and also these Azure ones. I'm creating this series to share my knowledge about Databricks, what I have learned in the last 8 years. Previously, I have already created series about PySpark and Delta Lake. There I got really good response, so I thought to create one about Databricks also. And in this series, we will first start by understanding what exactly is Databricks, how does the internal architecture works in it. Then we will jump to notebooks, how we write the code, and while writing the code, what all options we get. And then we will see how we can orchestrate the notebooks, dashboards, all those things using jobs and pipelines. We will also understand how we can run the jobs and notebooks on different types of clusters. What are the pros, cons, and usage of each of the cluster. We will also understand Unity Catalog in depth, which is the very important topic when it comes to Databricks interviews and general knowledge as well. And then we will see how we can create dashboards in Databricks, how we can use coding assistant to write the code automatically and do vibe coding. It has 3 modes. Each of the mode also we will understand in detail. We will also see how we can share data with other people using delta sharing. And then we will see how we can query our tables or other data sets using natural language using Genie. And we will also understand how does the billing works in Databricks, like if we are using different resources, how to know the exact cost of what we are doing. We will also understand how security works, how we can control the access for various people, and we will see how we can use the items available in marketplace and how we can make our assets available in marketplace. And then we will also understand how does the AI models works in Databricks. Also, for all these topics, we will understand theoretically also in depth what is the purpose of each of the feature, how to use it, and we will do practical hands-on demo as well, lot of them. And whatever will be the code or the data used for the demo parts, I will be sharing each and everything in the link. And as there are so many things to learn in Databricks and there are so many topics, so depending on the role, it may be confusing, like given your experience, what all the things that you are expected to know, and for each of the topic, what depth of knowledge you shall be having. So to clear out that confusion, I will create a separate video where we will discuss about the role and level of experience depending on which you shall be knowing which topics, so that you can focus on only the topics that are relevant to your role and your experience. Also, along the way, if you want me to add any topic, I will add that as well. If I also realize I missed something, so that also I will cover. So without any delay, let's get started. And if you want to support my work, please put a like and comment on this. Thank you. Bye bye.